Okay, so this is the entrance to our laundry room. And all I've done in here so far is just kind of do some organization of the cabinets. It's pretty organized on a general, time frame, but after the holidays and after all the hustle and bustle, stuff starts just getting, stuck up, here, there, everywhere. But this is how the laundry, room is, or has been, for quite a while. And so what I'm doing is just kind of sprucing up. I'll give you a little sneak peek of some of these cabinets. This is where I keep like all our crafting and painting. I will explain in another video what I do, but it's kind of a tradition. We do these little canvases and everybody paints one, and then it stays here and it's on my wall in the kitchen. But I just went through and kind of tidied up, painting supplies and crafts and that kind of stuff. So, and then what I'm going to do is a kind of a mini renovation. It's going to be under $300. So I want to show you guys that, it doesn't have to be all big and expensive and, all of that. It can just be a quick little spruce that just makes a big difference. So this is what it looks like before. And when I am done, I will show you what it looks like after. Okay, so this is what it looks like all cleaned out. Oh my gosh, it looks like we're moving. I will go ahead and move out the laundry stuff as soon as we, get the washer and dryers out and stuff, because we are continually always doing laundry. But it's nice and bare, fresh start. And I'm excited to show you how it turns out. We'll take this stuff under the, I'm going to have my kids help me with that, that part, but I'm excited to show you. It's all ready to go. Nice clean slate. I'm so excited. We just finished the laundry room late last night. I think it turned out amazing. It's amazing how just $300 worth of just some paints, maybe a couple new little items in there, and then like a really fun design accent can make such a huge difference in a room. So so I'm really excited to show you what we did. And this is the final product. Okay, so this is it. This is the laundry room. I am so excited. We did this really fun. This is the pre-ready, you can get it at Home Depot, ceiling, or actually it's the wood wall that most people, you do a wood wall on it. Well, I decided to put it up on the ceiling. I thought it made a real fun little accent. And then we, I think that a laundry room or a small bathroom is a place where you can do a darker color, a more dramatic color, and it not be so overwhelming. The rest of my house is very light and airy, and I like it that way. But I think a room like this can be, this is where you can make it a lot more dramatic. I've got this color in my office, and so it's not like it's an out of sorts color, for the house, because I do have this in another place. But I think it was just kind of fun with the lighter cabinets. And then this is kind of where I keep all my bright decor, stuff I've been given over the years that I don't really have these bright colors in the rest of the house. So everything in here is a lot of that fun stuff. A lot of the fun, like a really fun thing here is this was actually made, this is my kids back in 2003. Hello. Made this clock, and that's their handprints and stuff. They gave me this, this was our Colorado house, probably back in 2009 or 10. you know, fun little photos. This was when, it's so crazy to think, but when my kids were little, one of it was an assistant at their Montessori school made this, Miss Hillary, and you know, still have it. It's so sweet. They made it for me while I was gone on a weekend, and I still have it. So this is not just the laundry room. This is where we keep all our crafts as well. It's easy access. My grandson can come up and get his colors there. He just grabs this and goes. This is kind of how we organize all our painting stuff. This is one, and in fact, I'm going to do a video in the next couple days. I keep extra of these plaques, and every holiday or major holiday, I pull them all out, pull all our paint material and stuff out, and we paint these plaques, and it goes in my kitchen. And so, you know, like every day when I'm walking through there, it just reminds me of fun times. But this is like all crafts, just stuff that's fun to do instead of just sitting there watching TV with the kids. This is where we keep all our candles, you know, holiday, different stuff. These are all my everyday candles, and centerpiece stuff. And, you know, a great idea is I absolutely love, these are Bath and Body Works, and I do love those. But I absolutely love, if I can get it out, Joanna Gaines, the Magnolia candles. They have a great wood wick and everything, and they're just a beautiful candle. But what I do is, when the season is done, they'll put them on 50% off. Sometimes I've even gotten some that were like 70% off. So I've got fall, I've got Christmas, and I've just got one more summer that I'm going to be burning this summer. And I did that with Homeworks as well. These are pumpkin gingerbread. I mean, they're just fabulous candles, but I get them on their off time so that it's cheaper. So I keep everything up here ready to go, my everyday candles. I use a lot of candles. So they're ready to go, all organized. This used to be, each of us had a basket. This was when I set this up, you know, myself and both my kids, and then we'd have like towels. I had a basket, so I would do the laundry, fold it, put it in everybody's basket, and then the thought was they would take it and they would put it away and they'd bring the basket back. But for many years I never saw the baskets again because they were always in their room. So now that they're older, we have our baskets back. But this is a fun way to keep organized, you know, in when I designed this area. This under here, the idea for this room was we'd have stools, and this would be a place to do homework or do crafts. Well, for a lot of times we go in the kitchen or we go outside or whatever for crafts. So I found these at Walmart, and this is where I keep like all of my floral stuff, my kind of craft, the floral or just extra decor. That kind of, I've got like extra stems and stuff like that in there. And then lots of drawers for more crafts, all of our hot glue guns and all that kind of stuff. This is all cleaning supplies. So that's great. And then this is all for my grandkids. And right now my granddaughter's too little, but this is all my grandsons. I told him to bring a couple things over, and the child filled up all 3 drawers and then some on top. He just kept, every time he came over, he'd bring more and more bags of stuff. It was so cute. So it's nice. He can get into it. He can come in and get his toys, and it's all good. Then obviously our washer and dryer. I found this at Target. I thought it was so cute. I love the color, but single and looking for a mate. I love it. I thought it was so cute, and it was on clearance. And then this is kind of what we do. This is kind of an organization. I use the laundry pods. My daughter prefers the liquid, so I have both. Dryer sheets, color catchers, and then the Downy. And then all of our extra stuff comes up here. So it's kind of cute, you know, the way it looks and everything, and functional but cute. And then these are some of the new little pieces I got yesterday at Hobby Lobby. Just inspiration. I think when you're in here, this is not the funnest, you know, funnest thing to do is be doing laundry, but you know, you might as well make it cute and fun and functional, and I think it makes it much better. And so I think you can see from the beginning to now, I mean, for $300, this made a big difference. I mean, I've still got a few things I gotta come in and touch up and fix and whatnot, but for I think it ended up being $275, and the biggest thing was the wood. Obviously your time, but I mean, the biggest thing was the wood. Everything else was used except for these two things, and oh, in the laundry basket. So I think it turned out great. I'm super excited, and I hope this inspires you to kind of spruce up a little room, or you know, tackle a little project that you've been thinking about, and that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.